Alam mo bang pwede mong malaman kung kailan ka fertile? Kahit wala kang app, test kit, or expensive gadget? Dr. Carla here. May patient ako, late 20s. Regular ang cycle, pero hirap magbuntis. Sabi niya, Dok, sinusundan ko naman sa calendar app pero wala pa rin. So I ask, napapansin mo ba ang discharge mo? Mas mainit ka ba sa asawa mo mid-cycle? Nagulat siya. Dok, may kinalaman pala yun? Yes. Here's how to track your ovulation naturally. Number 1, cervical mucus. Kapag malapit ka mag-ovulate, ang discharge mo parang egg white. Madulas, stretchy at clear. Number 2, basal body temperature. Tuwing umaga bago bumangon, kunin ang temperature. After ovulation, tataas ito ng konti, about 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Needle smudge. Yung ovulation pain, parang kirot sa isang side ng puson. That's a clue na naglabas ng itlog ang ovary. Number 4, libido boost. Aminin, mas malandi tayo mid-cycle. Blame it on your hormones. Number 5, calendar tracking. Kung regular ang cycle mo, ovulation usually happens 14 days before your next period. Ang katawan mo, may sariling signal. Basta matuto kang makinig, malalaman mo kung kailan ka fertile. No gadgets needed. At kung TTC tayo, ito ang key para tama ang timing. Dr. Carla here. Your V-Confident OBGYN bestie. Real talk lang, walang filter. Just facts, care, and science.